backyard fire has broken out in the small town of Orting, Washington.
Where's the fire department?
Police are first on the scene, and Sergeant Jim Dowd takes control of the neighbors.
Don't stand there, hot here.
His partner, Randy Campbell, grabs a garden hose and begins battling the blaze. But Sergeant Dowd quickly calls him back. Seconds later, flames reach a nearby propane tank.
Oh my God.
Nobody is injured in the blast, thanks to Sergeant Dowd's intuition.
As I was standing there keeping everybody back, I could hear a venting noise, which alarmed me because I was worried that there's fuel being fed to this and I didn't know what was going to happen.
As officers retreat, the propane tank explodes, creating a massive fireball that engulfs the backyard.
I just spilled that sucker.
I'm glad everybody's okay.
You can feel a concussion just go right through your body. You can feel the heat from the blast. And it just basically startles your senses for a minute there until you can gather your thoughts.
Moments later, the firefighters arrive and finally get this backyard blaze under control.